All right, today we're going to take a look at a late St. Patrick's Day Zippo. Now this one came in the double box, the white outside box, and the label on it says, it only says Zippo logo. Of course it has the Zippo manufacturing company on the back, Bradford, PA. And this is what came inside. This is a normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA without the label. And it's got there's another Zippo manufacturing company logo, Bradford, PA. So this is kind of a plain Zippo. It's just green. It does have the logo on there. That's always nice to have. It's basically that, it's not really a Kelly green. And this one was made in L of 22, which is December. Very good stampings on this. Came with the plain steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this little Zippo. That one went out. Let's try one more time. Okay, sometimes they don't stay lit and sometimes they do. This is a pretty good Zippo, made in the USA, and definitely needs a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.